Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Anisha Zlin binti Muhammad Sabidi and I am technology student from USM. I am very pleasure to share with you guys about microwave oven cooking. So how does it work? How our center will have love microwave ovens. Instead of sitting around smoky woods, fires for hours on end, warming up beef stew for their stone age friends, they could have just tossed everything in the microwave, pressed a few buttons and had a meal ready in a minute or two. Of course, they had no electricity, which might have been something of a problem. When microwave ovens became popular in 1970s, they lifted household convenience to a new level. A conventional oven heats food very slowly from the outside in, but a microwave oven uses tiny, high-power radio waves to cook food more evenly. We sometimes say it cooks from the inside out, although that is quite correct. This is why a microwave can cook a joint of meat roughly 6 times faster than a conventional oven. Microwave oven also save energy because you can cook immediately without waiting for the oven to heat up to a high temperature first. Let's take a closer look at how they work. Microwave ovens are so quick and efficient because they channel heat energy directly to the molecules in a tiny particles inside food. Microwaves heat food like the sun heats our face by radiation. A microwave is much like the electromagnetic wave that zap through the air from TV and the radio transmitter. It is an invisible up and down pattern of electricity and magnetism that races through the air at the speed of 300,000 km or 186,000 miles per second. While radio wave can be very long-winded, some measure tens of kilometers or miles between one wave placed at the next. They can also be tiny. Microwaves are effectively the shortest radio wave, and the microwave that cook food in your oven are 12 cm, roughly 5 inches long. How does microwave turn electricity into heat? First, inside the strong metal box, there is a microwave generator called a magnetron. When you start cooking, the magnetron takes electricity from the power outlet and converts it into a high power radio waves. Number 2, the magnetron blasts this wave into the food compartment through a channel called waveguide. Number 3, the food sits on the turntable and spinning slowly around so the microwave cooks it evenly. Number 4, microwaves bounce back the fault of the reflective metal walls of the food compartment, just like the bounce of a mirror. When the microwave reaches the food itself, they don't simply bounce off, just as a radio wave can pass straight through the walls of your house. So microwaves penetrate inside the food. As they travel through it, they make the molecules inside it vibrate more quickly. Number 5, vibrating molecules have heat, so the faster the molecules vibrate, the hotter the food becomes. Thus, these microwaves pass their energy onto the molecules in the food, rapidly heating it up. I hope you can understand my presentation. Thank you for watching.